Sheer bliss and luxury awaits you here at 4 Nook Court at Thornlands. From the 45 square residence, the quarter-acre block of land and a versatile floor plan can suit your extended family plus more.
Fall down, Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you see, sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and put away. Call it a day.
Wow, there's a lot to take in here. From 6 bedrooms, 2 studies, 3 living areas, 3 bathrooms, 9-foot ceilings, polished timber floors, a glorious kitchen, 6 car accommodation, in-ground pool, solar panels, heated pool, private cul-de-sac, parkland across the road. Check out the floor plan and you'll know what I'm talking about.
Call it a day. Fight off 1,000 monsters hiding in the sands.